Happy Thursday, everybody. Okay, look at all these. And there's our 9006, another one. And another one. Another one there. There's another one. There's another one over there. It's ASR 9006 City. And anyway, so we are in the workshop. The noisy workshop. There's some sanding going down in there. Where's that noise coming from? Let's find out. There he is, making all that noise. Okay, so what have we got? I know that colour. That is Juniper. Lou, where's the 1500s? These are all the 3400s, aren't they?
They are, yeah.
Yeah.
1500.
Two 1500s. What, these two here?
That one, isn't it?
Oh yes, it's slightly bigger. Yes, right. Okay, so we've got here some Juniper switches, EX 3400 48 piece, and as you can see, oh I see. Yeah, there's no uplink module in there. So you've got a 48 port RJ45, 10100, 1000. Those are still current. Look at that. They've been here. Look, you'd think they were brand new, wouldn't you? But they're not. They're refurbished. And we've also got an SRX 1500 AC. Next generation firewall. Look, it's got two little PIM slots in there, so you can put extra uplinks in there. You've got 16 1 gig ports. Oh, I see. Right. Okay. So you can have a choice of SFP, and then you've got 4 10 gig uplink ports there. And yeah. So what's the age of these? Okay. So the EX 3400 switches introduced in 2016. They're not end of life yet. Really? Okay. So these are 10 years old. Consequently, I mean, brand new. They're brand new. They are going to be quite a few thousand each, but they were only a few hundred each. Yeah. So and this one here, this one came out in 2015, I believe. That's amazing. So that's only just gone end of life as well. Incredible, really. So the story with this customer is they oh look, there's some more over there. They are a Juniper house, yeah. So the story with this customer is they didn't have a budget for brand new Juniper switches. That obviously they know that these switches are going end of sale, end of life. Imminently, and they needed to buy a little bit of time till their budget came along for a network refresh, probably later on in the year, and it made sense for them not to buy brand new, but to look at used instead, just to buy a little bit of time. But yeah, so if you need to buy a little bit of time and save money on your Juniper, you know where to come. Gotta go. See you. Bye.